Hi everyone, I'm Mila with Imperium Dynamics, and today I'm so excited because I get the privilege of introducing to you Imperium Email Marketing. This comprehensive platform is designed to empower businesses of all sizes to create, send, and analyze email marketing campaigns with ease. Our user-friendly interface and powerful features make it simple to send bulk emails to unlimited contacts and groups, design engaging and personalized email templates that resonate with your audience, track and analyze campaign performance through real-time dashboards, and overall maximize the effectiveness of your email marketing efforts. Imperium Email Marketing simplifies and streamlines the process that goes behind email marketing. Let me tell you how it works. First, you can easily import existing contacts from various sources such as CSV files, email lists, and CRM systems. Second, you can choose from a library of pre-designed templates, or you can create your very own using our drag and drop editor. Personalize your emails with custom fields and dynamic content to ensure that they resonate with each recipient. Third, divide your contact list into targeted groups based on demographics, interests, or other notable criteria for more relevant communication. Finally, choose the optimal time to send your emails for maximum impact and track their performance in real time with analytics. Imperium Email Marketing contains features such as bulk email sending, so you can reach thousands of subscribers with just one click. Additionally, the customizable email templates allow you to create and send professional-looking emails without any design experience. The variety of benefits of Imperium Email Marketing are truly limitless. However, one of the most prominent we've seen is increased engagement, as there is a higher open rate and click-through rate with personalized and targeted emails. You can even drive more sales and leads with effective email marketing and build stronger relationships with customers and subscribers. In addition to this, it improves data-driven decision-making as you gain valuable insights into your audience and campaign performance to optimize your strategy. Imperium Email Marketing can be used for a variety of purposes, including, but not limited to, event promotions, welcoming new customers and providing them with helpful information, as well as product launches, special offerings, and promotions. Ready to experience the power of Imperium Email Marketing? Contact us today and schedule a free consultation call to start creating impactful email campaigns that drive results.